Hey guys, just want to do a quick tutorial on the Adobe Fill and Sign app. You should have already downloaded the app, and once you have it downloaded, you're going to go to the web browser and just go to the TNS homepage. Then you're going to go to the employee portal and enter the password there so that you have access to our paperwork. On this page, there's going to be the timesheet and the client hourly logs, a behavior incident report, and some mileage reimbursement forms. So you're just going to download the form. It's going to pop up just like this. You're going to want to press the middle button that's a square and a triangle. And if this little thing's going to pop up, you're going to scroll to the right. I have it right there. If you do not see the app, you're going to click more and scroll down until you see it. And then you're going to click on, it's going to ask you to add it to this little section here. So just click that and it'll pop up right in the app. You can zoom in. The app is super friendly. You tap anywhere and you can start going as quickly as you want to filling out this timesheet. So I'm going to make sure that I just show you guys real quickly how to fill out one shift. Whoops. Very simple. You just want to make sure it's all aligned. And this is John Doe. I'm going to make the total hours. So that's 3 hours. The date is 1/16/2019. And then lastly, I'm going to sign it. And so I'm going to push this pen with the little squigglies on the side. It's going to pop up. It'll prompt you to create your own signature and initials. I've done so I'm going to hit that and place it wherever it needs to be. And then it's done. To send it, once it's completed, you're going to send using the bottom right button with the triangle or the arrow. That's the send symbol. You're just going to send it in your email to admin@TNS Utah. You're going to erase this whole subject, and you're going to put your first name, the name of the form, and the date range of that form. So if it's a client hourly log, you're going to put Jake P, you're going to put CHL, and you're going to put the client's first name and then the date range of that as well. So that's what it would look like if it were the client hourly log. It's not, so I'm actually going to erase that and put timesheet. And then I'm going to send it using the paper airplane symbol of the top right. And that's it. Once that sends, I will get it. I'll see that it's Jake P and that it's this timesheet and the pay period. It's as simple as that, guys. If you want to use the app, you can go back into the app just like this. If you want to go back in and re-edit or change so that it's a new time period, you can just erase the previous you can erase the previous entries and then enter all the shifts again and then send it just like that. Whatever you want to do, whatever's easiest. Anyway, that's pretty straightforward, but that's about it. You should go on to the Adobe Scan app tutorial now. Thanks, guys.